So you have a Pro grill and you want to relocate your stock front-facing camera. Well, if you have a model that has the stock front-facing camera, then you might want to get this Front Camera Relocation Bracket from Cartrimhome. It installs up into this area, and I'll show you how to do it. First step, if you want to have a little bit of rigidity before you continue, you're going to have to remove this little piece here. You can carefully cut, because these grills are kind of flimsy. Carefully cut all 4 of these and remove that center piece. It's between the Y and the L. This piece right here. Next step, under your hood, to the left of your front headlights, there's these little body clips. Just pop each clip individually. Get this first one, boom, set that aside. On the left side, same exact clip. Pop that. And then set that aside. And now you have 2 10mm bolts here and here. Be careful, it is metal and plastic. I'm using a drill specifically because I only have one hand, so I highly recommend doing it by hand. So once these screws are out, set them aside, and you're going to remove the front grill piece. So you don't have to remove it, but I recommend it so you can kind of visualize everything. Pop that up, pop that up. Now your grill will kind of want to be a little flimsy. Pops right out. Be careful, I have wiring for stuff, so you don't want to ruin any of your wiring, so just be careful. And you're going to want to set this somehow. I use some bins and stuff to stack it up, and you want to lay it flat. Okay, so you have your grill removed, and you have this piece that you should already have cut and removed. I'm using an aftermarket camera, so this bracket isn't necessary, but just make sure you be careful, and when you cut these, cutting like in the middle or something, remember this is flimsy plastic, so if you break too close to this edge right away, you can actually break part of these, and then you will need to get epoxy to repair it. It's too much work. Just be careful and just slowly trim your way up each bar until it's clean. Next, you're going to take your bracket, you're going to remove your sticky tape, and it installs right over where that spot is between the Y and the O. Super easy. Big bar on the bottom, small little piece up top, and it just sticks right on. Line it up good, stick it right on. Remember, if your truck is dirty, you might want to take something to clean these. The bracket does usually come with some alcohol wipes, but it's no big deal. Just clean it somehow and remove your sticky tape and stick it on. And remember, your camera will install in this spot right here, just like how you removed it whenever you did remove your front facing camera from your stock Tacoma. Okay, so to reinstall your front grille, you just kind of line it up with the holes, get everything lined up. These pieces, you just kind of line it up over, pop it in, clips in, pop it in, clips in, and then now you just re-put in your bolts and your screws. And if you have your front facing camera installed correctly, it'll be behind that bar there. You can see the bar. I did not stick mine down, so I'll show you. I'll pop it off. It'll be right there. Quick, simple, and easy. Another thing is, if you're not using a front-facing camera that was stock with your Tacoma, if you have an aftermarket, you can actually, for certain ones, you might want to check before you install this one, because with mine has a different kind of view. It's not as wide, it's not as clean, so I actually screwed mine into this piece here and just kind of position it wherever you need. And it's actually bendable, nice and easy to line up. So this install was super simple, super easy. If you have any questions, leave a comment. You can get this bracket here from Cartrimhome. And there you go, nice and easy, simple. Let me know if you have any questions.